Hello friends, welcome to Alteryx. It has been quite a few days. We were suffering from COVID and broke out flow of uploading videos. So today we are going to do an unboxing. Let's see what it is actually. So I'm opening this package which I got from Amazon, and the packing is really nice actually. You will see I will find a hard time to open it. It's really good, robust packing. So I'm almost in. Okay, there we go. So we have a Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. Now I'll take it out. If you see, there is no plastic cover on the box. It's like that. It has 108 megapixel camera and it's made in India and MI branding. All those will be there in the front of the box, and this device features AMOLED screen. Now we'll be cutting the seals. So there are two seals, so I'll just cut off those two. Now we will see the content of box. Here we go. So at first you will see this designed by Redmi, and when you open that, let me just take it out. Okay, so in this package you will find a silicone case, user guide, and a SIM ejector tool. So let's see the silicone case. It's a usual silicone case which is already present there, which will be a perfect fit for your device. Then this is the SIM ejector tool. Keep it handy, you will need often. Now this is our user guide which we won't read. Okay, so this is our actual device and we will have a look afterwards. Then let's go inside the box and check the other contents. So here we have USB A to USB Type-C cable. The quality is decent. Wires are not that thick, but yeah, it's overall decent quality. I won't say the best, but decent. Then we have this charger. It's a 33-watt charger. Maximum output which can be taken from this charger is 33 watts. Then we'll come back to device again and unwrap the plastic. If you see, this is the shiny glossy device. It's a fingerprint magnet, no doubt in that, until unless you are using the case. Now let me quickly go through the port. At first we'll see the speaker grill, then USB Type-C port, then mic. Then we'll find fingerprint cum power button, then the volume rockers, then the speaker grill again, stereo speaker grill, noise cancellation mic, and audio jack. Here is the same tray. We can just take out the same and add the SIM and a memory card here. This device has two SIMs and a SD card slot. You can see in the slot. Now I'm adding one SIM and one memory card to it. So the slot just beside the SD card slot is SIM 1 slot, and the next one is SIM 2 slot. So here we go. We have added the SIM and the SD card here. This is old 32 GB SanDisk memory card. I will upgrade it to 126 GB. Okay, I have switched on the device and it's booting. Meanwhile, we can see the specification of this device. It's a 732G Snapdragon processor. Then it has 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal memory. This is overall a decent device with 108 megapixel of camera, and camera is the main highlight of this phone. And you can see device has started booting and just saw the MIUI logo. Now it's checking for Google services and we see this MIUI 12. Now language selection, select the language and press next. Then choose the region. For me it's India. Depends on your country, then it will be setting the region for you. Now you have to accept this privacy policy. They have included some keyboard face emoji. You have to accept that as well. Now I will connect to my Wi-Fi. Let me quickly enter the password. Okay, I have connected with my Wi-Fi. Let's move next. Now your phone has to be set up now. There will be some steps where you have to enter your email ID, password, so that it will be synced, or if you want to, and get your data, or just setting up the Google services. Now I don't want to copy, but I will click next, and then in the next screen I will click on don't copy. Now I have to enter the email ID. I have entered it and click next, and then yes I am. Then I have to agree. It will try to get my account detail. Once account details is available, it will ask you to accept the license agreement and accept it and press on continue, and it will just set up the assistant as well. So I want to use assistant, so I'll do just yes I am in. Do it later if you don't want to. So I will go to the next page now, and here also I have to agree the terms and conditions. Since I am using this same account in different device, it is already set up. I will just press next to continue. I want to skip this step because I don't want to add any cards to Google Pay, and all this is no thanks. Okay, I don't want to add any more accounts now, so I'll skip this. So I won't set up fingerprint, I will set up it afterwards. And this is a lock screen, so I will agree to it and select the way. I will be using the Flyxy app drawer, but if you want, you can choose any of them. Then now my setup is complete. Press on that arrow once, and you will be taken to MIUI front page. So here we are, and you can see there is some update also. I have updated it. It's MIUI 12, so that's being updated, and you can see SD card is detected and other things are there. So this is the MIUI 12.5 update, and I have started the download, and it will update and install. This is the basic unboxing and overview of the device. We will be coming back with performance test of this device very soon. Keep watching, stay tuned. If you like our video, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon to get notification, give a thumbs up, and encourage us to create more videos like this.